1 this topic communication and nurse patient relationship. Unit 4 definition of the communication and nurse patient relationship. Communication is the process of the exchange information, thought, ideas and feeling from the individual of another. Communication process and the element of the communication. Process of communication: sender, message, channel, receiver, response. Repeat process: sender, message, channel, receiver, response. Sender, it is a person who wishes to convey a message to the another. It is the person who wishes to convey a message to the another. Message, it is the piece of the information passed away from one person of another. Channel, it is the means by which the message is transmitted. Example, telephone, radio, etc. Example, telephone, radio, etc. Receiver, it is the listener or the one who received the message. It is the listener or the one who received the message. Response, it is the message that the receiver return to the sender. It is the also called feedback. It is the message that the receiver returned to the sender. It is the also called feedback. Barrier of the communication: physical barrier, physiological barrier, environmental barrier. Physical barrier, when there is the sensory different, auditory effect, visual defect, message will not be the convey or the received. Example, difficulty in the hearing, difficulty in the vision, difficulty in the expression. Difficulty is hearing, difficulty is vision, difficulty is expression. Physiological barrier: first, emotional disturbance; second, level of the intelligence; third, fear; fourth, ego. First, emotional disturbance; second, level of the intelligence; third, fear; fourth, ego. Environmental barrier: first, lack of the ventilation; second, lack of the light; third, extreme temperature; fourth, extreme noise; fifth, lack of the privacy. Lack of the ventilation, lack of the light, extreme temperature, extreme noise, lack of the privacy. Cultural barrier: first, custom; second, level of the knowledge and the understanding; third, religion; fifth, attitude; fifth, language. Level of the communication: conversational accumulations. A person communicate with stranger to have causal accuracy in the conversational level. Example, first encounter between nurse and client. Conversation on this level is faithfully the person. Here the attempts are made to: first, be polite; second, to feel silent; third, to get accurate; fourth, to relieve tension; to convey information. Expiratory associated. First point. Here the conversation is fact and the problem attended. Second, conversation in the usually is personal. Third, relationship remain on this level for the many years. Relationship remain on this level of the many years. Fourth point, relationship is the friendly but not open to every much this the disclosure. Participation friends. Participate friends. First point, participate friends means people themes with themselves. Second point, group is the involved in self disclosure. Third, here person express his own feelings, describe his on the expressions and the discuss his needs. Fourth, intimacy, close friends. Intimate relationship are by the communication with the feeling and the deeply felt mutual understanding. Example to close friend. Type of the communication chart based on the relationship based open flow. Third, author. First, based on the relationship. Second, based open flow. Third, other. Based of the relationship. First point, formal. Second, informal.